Okay, cool. I wonder if I could just get eyes on where the next one's gonna be. And that might help me a little more. Not here. That's fine. Oh. I heard something in the hallway out front. Does that mean something good or bad? No. No. I like the way it's doing it because it forces me to actually look at the cameras and try to find things. Okay, we're all doing good there. Alright, everything's fine. I don't know why I died that time. I really don't know what came after me. I'm not sure why.